Okay, comparing it to the other Mini we've got here, that this panel tapers off and follows a little flange line down, so it's not straight down, it follows the tower down. So we'll just trim that off, and so that will allow us to think about the other panel. Good old foreskins, they have multiple uses. Don't panic lads, I've got another one. And so yeah, we've got ourselves, there we go, got ourselves an inner wing. That's alright, isn't it? Should, not quite, should a little bit longer, but I'm not too bothered. That's just close enough for what I need. I'll work out the rest. The question is to trim it down a little bit in size, and try and make it a little fit, get some bends in there. I've kept a bit of the bend of the door, thinking that would be quite useful. Don't know why, but anyway. Good metal, original door skins, so that's all good. And what I'm thinking of doing is joggling it down this edge. Not trying to butt weld it or do anything stupid, we'll just juggle it and plug weld it. Seam sealer jobs are good, and that's what I say anyway. So let's see if we can make it fit any better. Alright, we're getting there. Worst case, we just use this as a giant template. I've got nothing else to do, so yeah. Just getting a bit of a curve to it, we can smoothen out this. Obviously, factories are pressed, you know, so they're forced into different shapes, you know, and obviously if you're a panel beater, it's not a problem. But the skills on my level, sometimes you don't get the right shape, so we might have to actually sort of put a slit in it and pull it slightly, re-weld it back up a bit, just to get the curvature a lot easier. If you've got old English wheels and things like that, you could do all sorts, but yeah, we're getting there. Alright, what I've just done is drilled a hole through the top engine where the shock mounts go. I'll basically ground all that off now, so it's just nothing there apart from just an edge. I'm just going to see if we can get us loosen that up a bit. Oh, cut my fingers up a little bit. And just wind this in, which now pulls this nice and tight. That's the plan anyway. This isn't a PK, it's just a nut and bolt, but PK would do the same if you've got one. I could use those little clicky things, but I've got them all in panels. I've ordered some more. This can easily be replaced with a spot weld or a plug weld later. So yeah, you can see, just pulling in there allows us to see what's going on. Oh, this works so hard. I don't know why I'm cleaning the lens anymore. It's completely buggered. Anyway, we're getting there. A couple of more screws down the bottom there to the heel board. Again, as I said, this is pressed. So unless you've got real good panel beating skills, which I haven't, you have to use a bit of brute force and increment. Okay, it might not be the smoothest of panels in there, but in the end it's a wheel arch. It's just there to square everything up and put strength back into the car. As I said, I'm going to swage this end yet. But yeah, you might have to put a cut in there because basically it's bending one way and then you're trying to bend the panel the opposite way. It really doesn't like it. So we'll work out where the best place is to put a slice in it. But yeah, that needs to sort of come up square now. But again, up in this top corner, it's not really seen, is it? It's not seen. So yeah, you know, pop the panel. 150 quid, I think, the inner wings, aren't they? So yeah, you know. My time is free, they say. So anyway, if it don't work, we'll buy another panel, don't we, anyway? Alright, cut myself and put a few slits in it. Oh, I don't know, maybe I couldn't have done it. Could have done it in one panel, I don't know. Do it in, you know, one piece, bending it. Yeah, as always. You can buy stuff as well. There's no fun in buying stuff, is there? When you've got a foreskin laying around. I'm bleeding, I'm bleeding. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's alright though. Little thin cut slice in there, that's not a problem. I think that's better anyway because I think it was bowing outwards inside the into the compartment, so we don't need that. Oh, so yeah, that's a professional wing, inner wing looking like it's being built. Now if we take this cap off, pop this panel back in. And this is where we find a mass bolt. That's fine, it's just to the curvature of this. Curvature of the top. Let's go fix that. Pop that on there for now. There we go. Yeah, these are my lovely. There you go, look. It's like genuine. Wouldn't be able to tell the difference. I'm not too sure if the pickups had a rib down here. I can't remember. I do know. I think the Mark ones didn't. But you know, obviously this is a bit of a. I think the pickups are still Mark 1 in that area. I know they're Mark 1 hinges, but who knows what they did in the 70s and 80s. Anyway, I don't know. Made some progress there. Filled a hole. As I said, we'll joggle one of these edges and plug weld it, bang, seam sealant. That's going to be perfect for what we need. If somebody wants to restore it again later, we can. It's just another inner wing job. It's going to have a flip front on it anyway, so yeah, alright. Whether you give me thumbs up or not for that, I don't know. Look at that. Just because I'm doing it on a farm doesn't mean it's agricultural. Well, it sort of does. Anyway, alright, good luck guys. Enjoy your projects.